Hi everyone, I wanted to talk about how to use dates in JavaScript and how we can reformat a date object to show us something with words. Like for example down here, if I write the format Wednesday, or let's do Sunday, October 31st, 2021. So if we want that type of format, how are we going to do that? In JavaScript, in PHP, there's the built-in functions, but in JavaScript, we need to actually, sorry about the noise, we need to actually create an array with all the um, values that we're going to use. So let's keep that down there for now. So if we're going to print out this date, I've created this function here. Let's go and just recreate that format date function, and we can do it step by step together. Okay, so we're going to have a day array just for the days of the week, and I'll just copy all this over here. So day array for the days of the week, a month array for the months of the year, okay, and those are the only ones we're going to need to actually create values for because they're not built in anywhere. And then on top of that, we can go back and take a look at these functions. Let's just grab these and paste them in here. So the functions get day, that gets the day of the week as a number, with 0 being Sunday and 6 being Saturday. Get date is the day of the month as a number. Get month is the month of the year as a number, 0 being January. And get full year will just return the 4-digit year, as opposed to get year, which just returns the 2-digit, like 21 for 2021. So now, once we have defined all these, let's go here and we're going to pass in a date object to the function. And then down here, we'll just define new date. That's going to just take the current date. I'm just going to call it CD. Current date is new date. So, and then once we run our function, we're going to format the current date there. And let's go ahead and we'll console log that date object as well so we can see the difference. So now we will go back up here, and how we're going to do this is we're going to use a template literal to create the string that we want to see. So I'm going to do const date string is equal to, so the backticks is what we're going to start with, and then we're going to use those $ and brackets to insert variables here. So I'm going to start with selected. So we're going to use selected, or no, so we're going to, let's go grab this as our example, paste it down here, or why not paste it right here instead. So we want to start with Sunday, so that's the day of the week. So we're going to grab that day array. Let's rename this days, months. So we're going to use days, and then from that array we're going to pick the index that we want, which is going to be the same as selected day. Okay, so that way it's going, like for example, today is Sunday, so we should get back a 0 right there, and then that will for selected day, and then for that's going to pick the first value of the days array, which is Sunday. Okay, and then I'll just put a comma here because that we want the little comma in the format. And then next, I'm going to use another template literal variable here Same principle here, months, and then selected month. We'll get the index of that array. The next two are easy, just selected date, since all we need is the number. Selected date and selected year. There we go. So, and then we'll just return that. So now when we run, we should get both of these output. And let's see what happens. Boom. Look at that. We got our date object, which I actually didn't know that that's how it looked. But you can see there it's 21, 10, 31. It's Halloween today. Happy Halloween, guys. And the time. And then when we pass that into our function and we take out the values, we're going to get all those numbers we need. And this can be modified, of course, to take strings and then from those strings reformat the date or however you like. But it's up to you to decide. The main takeaway here is just that we are creating these day and month arrays to be able to get those 3-letter days and months here. I kind of messed up there, but yeah, you see what I mean. So yeah, hopefully that was helpful, and good luck with your using JavaScript dates, and have fun coding.